Welcome. My name is Heesun, and welcome to my house. I'm product designer and I'm working for the tech company. I've been moved here around 2 years ago, but before then I originally from Korea. Then I met my boyfriend and I moved here to San Francisco 2019. I really love coffee. I've got some interest making latte art. I tried, but I always failed. Yeah, but I love it. So I just want to learn more about it. When I moved here, I don't want to take any risks. For now, I just try to use Facebook marketplaces or Etsy. As you can see, it's quite minimal, but actually I'm not a minimalist because it is our first home. So I don't want to put lots of things at first. And I didn't know my style 100%. So I just want some of the basic things and then just want to add more like a neutral and cute things, like that Lego things. Yeah, so I'm immigrant. The home is the most safe place. So everything is pretty new for me. Like go outside and then meeting new person and then just working. Everything is totally new. I just want to feel safe and feeling comfortable in my home. If I invite the new persons, they can know about me when they explore my home. So I think the home is just myself.
Oh, that's a good answer.
Yeah.
I like it.
So,